Hello traders, welcome back to PipsTraders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continued support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. So today in this video, as usual, let us look at the price action in gold from the daily time frame to 15 minutes time frame and mark the current trend of the price action and present support and resistance levels. When we look at the economical events plan for today is 22nd March, Wednesday. At 12 p.m. we have high impact news plan for British pound related currency pairs, and at 2:15 p.m. we have medium impact news plan for euro related currency pairs, and at 11:30 p.m. we have multiple high impact news plan for US dollar related currency pairs. So we can expect lots of volatility in gold during these news hours. Let us begin with our gold analysis. I'm in daily time frame now. I'm still using the bullish channel pattern that I have used in yesterday's analysis, and we can notice that the price action after testing the resistance level of 2010, we are noticing the price action to bounce back on the bearish side retracement. Again, this level of 1926 is going to be acting as a strong support for the future price action, because this level had acted as a very strong support in the past price action also. And only when the price action breaks this support level, we can expect a further fall on the bearish side retracement, and next level of support is going to be around 1861. And during this bearish side retracement also, we can expect the price action to take support on the midline of the bullish channel pattern, because in the past we have noticed a price action to respect this midline. So if the bearish side retracement continues also, we can expect it to take support on this midline of this channel pattern. And as long as the price action is trading above this midline of the bullish channel pattern, we can expect the bullish trend to continue in daily time frame. The first level of support is going to be around 1926. So once the price action breaks the support level of 1861, next level of support is going to be around 1814, 1767 and 1711. And when we look at the past price action, this zone had acted as a very strong support, where we have noticed a price action to bounce on the bullish side, then to bounce on the bearish side, again bounce on the bullish side. Lots of consolidation has taken place in the past, so this level will be acting as a very strong support if the price action continues to trend on the bearish side retracement. So this is a very important demand zone when the price action bounces back on the bearish side retracement. Once the price action breaks this demand zone, we can expect a very sharp fall on the bearish side retracement. Let us look at the price action in 4 hours time frame. I'm in 4 hours time frame now. When we look at the current trend of the price action, we have noticed a price action to continuous trend on the bullish trend after testing the resistance level of 2009. We are noticing it to bounce back on the bearish side retracement. Wait for the price action to break this support level of 1925 if you want to freshly enter on the bearish side trade. But looking at the price action, it is trying to form a head and shoulder pattern. So once the price action breaks this support level of 1925, we can expect a further continuation of the bearish side retracement. And as explained in the daily time frame, this whole zone between 1859 to 1811 is going to be acting as a very strong support zone. So we can expect a bounce back on the bullish side retracement after testing this support level of 1859. So we have two levels of support on the bearish side in 4 hours time frame. This level is going to be acting as a neck level of the head and shoulder pattern. Let us look at the price action in hourly time frame. I'm in hourly time frame now, and when we look at the current trend of the price action in hourly time frame, I'm drawing a trend line or a support line. And previously we have noticed a price action to respect this support line, and here around the level of 1967 we have noticed a price action to breach this support line, and we can notice a very strong bearish side retracement. Currently we are noticing the price action to bounce back on the bullish side retracement, and if the bullish side retracement continues, we can expect this trend line or the support line to be acting as a resistance line, and only when the price action breaks this resistance line, we can expect a further continuation of the bullish side retracement. And this level of 1925 is going to be acting as a very strong support level, where we have noticed a price action to bounce back on the bearish side retracement in the past. So wait for the price action to break this support level if you want to freshly enter on the bearish side trade in hourly time frame. And for now, the current trend of the price action in hourly time frame is in a bearish side retracement. For now, the price action is trading between the resistance level of 1954 and support level of 1937. If the price action bridges this support level of 1937 and continues its bearish side retracement, next level of support is going to be around 1920, 1896 and 1867. And if the price action bounces back on the bullish side retracement from the support level of 1937, next level of resistance is going to be around 1954, 1975 and 2009. And as long as the price action is trading above this midline of this bullish channel pattern from the daily time frame, we can expect the price action to continue trading on the bullish trend. Let us look at the price action in 30 minutes time frame. I'm in 30 minutes time frame, and when we look at the price action in 30 minutes time frame, we have noticed a price action to make a head and shoulder pattern, which I had also expected in yesterday's analysis, and we have noticed a price action to retrace approximately to the level where it started a head and shoulder pattern. So from this level, it will be a start of the new trend. We have to wait and see if the bearish trend is going to continue or if it is going to start a new bullish side retracement. Because it has completed its head and shoulder pattern, so it will become invalid for now. And as I explained in the other time frames also, wait for the price action to break this support level of 1925 if you want to freshly enter on the bearish side retracement, or else we can expect the price to bounce back on the bullish side. And for the 30 minutes time frame, wait for the price action to break this trend line or the resistance line in order to freshly enter on the bullish side retracement trade in 30 minutes time frame. If the bullish trend is strong, we can expect the price action to break this resistance line also and to trend on the bullish trend. But this level of 2009 will be again acting as a very strong resistance level for the future price action also. It has to break this resistance level if it wants to start a new bullish trend. So currently the price action is trading between the resistance level of 1944 and support level of 1925. If the price action breaches this resistance level of 1944 and continues its bullish side retracement, next level of resistance is going to be around 1957, which is also the trend line or resistance line from the 30 minutes time frame. Once this trend line is breached, next level of resistance is going to be around 1967, 1977, 1991 and 2009. For now, this level of 1925 and 2009 are acting as a very strong support and resistance level. Once these levels are breached, we can expect a directional momentum to start in 30 minutes time frame. It could be on the bullish side or on the bearish side based on the market sentiment. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 15 minutes time frame. I'm in 15 minutes time frame now, and we are noticing the price action to continuously trend on the bearish side retracement. It has taken support around the support level of 1936 and had bounced back on the bullish side retracement, and presently it is trading between the support level of 1942 and resistance level of 1951. If the bullish side bounce back continues, bridging this resistance level of 1951, next level of resistance is going to be around 1958, 1963, 1969, 1975 and 1985. And on the bearish side, if the price action bridges this support level of 1942, next level of support is going to be around 1931, 1925 and 1915. And for now, the current trend of the price action is still in a bearish trend as long as it is trading below this 15 minutes time frame trend line or the resistance line. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.